Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we discussed about TOEFL and IELTS entrance exam. These entrance exams measure your proficiency in English language and are necessary if you want to study abroad. Apart from the English language assessments, most four-year college require that all applicants, domestic and international alike, take the SAT or ACT entrance test. Some students get confused between TOEFL and SAT, whether they should take both the test or only one. If English isn't your first language, then you will likely also have to take the TOEFL to apply to the college. SAT exam has been developed to evaluate the written, verbal and mathematical reasoning abilities of the candidates. The SAT is a standardized test which measures the aptitude and general cognitive skills of aspiring US undergraduates. It is administered by the College Board. The full form of SAT is Scholastic Assessment Test, which was earlier known as Scholastic Aptitude Test. SAT exam has been developed to evaluate the written, verbal and mathematical reasoning abilities of the candidates. Applicants who plan to pursue undergraduate courses, particularly in US and Canada, are required to take the exam. SAT-1 is a more generic test. SAT-2, which is also known as SAT subject test, they are the only national admission test that measures students' knowledge and skills in particular subject areas and their ability to apply that knowledge. They are closely linked to the high school curriculum and have a proven track record of providing colleges with a highly reliable, objective assessment of student readiness for college-level work. This is the reason why they are so popular among all colleges. It gives students an opportunity to distinguish themselves and showcase their skills in a particular subject area. Let's look at the details of the test. How many times the test is conducted? SAT exam is conducted at least 5 times in a year in India, usually in the months of March, May, August, October and December. One can retake the test as many times as they wish. There is no passing or failing test score. The test time duration is 3 hours plus 50 minutes for essay, where essay is optional. Total questions for the test are 154. With essay, total questions are 155. Total score is 1600. The SAT is divided into 2 sections, reading, writing and mathematics. Scale ranging from 200 to 800 for evidence-based reading and writing. Scale ranging from 200 to 800 for math. Scale 2 to 8 points on each of 3 dimensions for essay. 1300 is considered to be a good score. Official score reports are sent to the students approximately 15 days after the test. The SAT scores are valid over a period of 5 years until or unless there has been a change in the criteria for SAT. How to send SAT scores to colleges? There are 2 ways of sending your scores to colleges. First one, while registering for the test. Second one, after releasing the official scores. Candidates receive 4 free score reports while registering for the test. Candidates can send the scores to colleges up to 9 days of taking the test. After that, they need to pay some charges for sending the score reports to each university they choose. Let's have a look at the registration process for the test. Students can register online at the College Board's website, or they can also register through offline mode by mail or telephone at least 3 weeks before the test. SAT exam fees. So this brings us to the end of the video. We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below and do share with your friends. In the next video, we will discuss the ACT entrance test and see the difference between SAT and ACT. Thank you for watching.